Are you still saying very all the time? Let me show you smarter words you can use instead. Here are 10 better alternatives. 1. Very happy, ecstatic. Example, she was ecstatic when she got the job. 2. Very sad, devastated. Example, he was devastated after hearing the bad news. 3. Very angry, furious. Example, the teacher was furious when no one did their homework. 4. Very tired, exhausted. Example, I was exhausted after working all day. 5. Very scared, terrified. Example, the child was terrified of the dark. 6. Very small, tiny. Example, that kitten is so tiny it fits in my hand. 7. Very big, enormous. Example, they live in an enormous house near the beach. 8. Very fast, swift. Example, she gave a swift reply to the message. 9. Very slow, sluggish. Example, I feel sluggish in the morning without coffee. 10. Very good, excellent. Example, your English is excellent. Stop saying very and start using these stronger words. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and practice with your own sentence.